Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. Welcome to Digital Access Pass. Now, DApp is a membership plugin for WordPress, and it has so many different features. Now, one of the features that's really popular and really useful is what we call as product chaining. Product chaining, what this means is, say that you run a membership site, and when someone signs up for your membership, you want to give them access to all of these other products that you have. You might have a course, you might have a challenge, you might have a training, you might have a digital product, and you want to give them access to all of these other products you have when they sign up for your membership. And you don't want to recreate all of this, or you don't want to add all of this content to your membership, right? You don't want to redo all of the work you have already done. But you want to give them access to all these other things you have that you offer from your membership site. So what you can do is you can use the product chaining feature in DApp to say, when someone signs up for this product, this membership, then automatically give them access to all of these other things. And it could be a product, a course, a challenge, a training, a video, whatever it is that you want to give them access to, which you have created as a product, and you might also sell it individually. Now you can make it part of the membership through this product chaining feature. So say that you have an online course and you're doing a launch and you want to offer all of these other products as a bonus. When someone signs up for this course, you have all these other products and trainings that you have, and you want to offer it for free when someone signs up for your online course. You can do this using the product chaining feature. You can say when someone signs up for this online course, automatically give them access to all of these other products or all of these other trainings. You can decide what they get access to when they sign up. So the main product, right, the source product to which they are signing up could be anything, right? It could even be a freebie. So even if you have a lead magnet, for example, and you want to say when someone signs up for this lead magnet, give them access to all these other things, you can do that too. So you can create all kinds of different rules. Now what we have also done is you can give them delayed access. You can drip out your products, not just the content, but you can drip out the products itself. So if you have a membership site and you give your users access to products A, B, C, right? And you don't want to overwhelm them with a whole bunch of content instantly as soon as they sign up. You can drip it out. You can say product A will be available in January. Product B will be available in Feb. So you can drip it out. Or you can say product A will be available instantly and product B will be available in 15 days from now. You can do date-based product dripping. You can do day-based product dripping. So it's a really powerful feature. I want to take you behind the scenes now to quickly show you how you can use this feature, and it's so easy to set this up. This is the backend of DApp. You can go to products, click on chaining. It'll bring you to a page like this. Click on product chaining. And here you can create different rules. And this is where I have all these different rules already. I'm going to click on add a new chaining rule to show you how to set one up. All right, so really simple. You can see it says if a user is added to or removed from. You can say when someone is getting access to, which means they are signing up for or they are purchasing your product, then what should happen? So if a user is added to, for example, my membership, I want to give them access to, right? Add to or remove from. You can also use the chaining feature to remove access from certain products if someone is canceling their membership. You can do both. So here I'm going to say if someone gets access to this membership, I want to give them access to my newsletter challenge, and I want to mark it as paid, which means DApp is going to treat them the same way as someone who has purchased this product, right? So even though this user didn't purchase this product directly, they got access to it because they purchased the membership, they will have full access to it, right? So I'm going to mark it as paid and send welcome email from the chained product. It's up to you if you want to send individual emails from each one of the chained products, or you want to send them email just from the membership. You can let them know through the membership welcome email, you have access to all of these other products, and you don't have to send individual emails from each one of the chained products. That's up to you. Typically, I set this to do not send welcome email because I don't want them to receive too many emails. If I'm giving them access to 6, 7 different products, as soon as they sign up for membership, I don't want them to receive all of these different emails. And so all the details, I send it directly in the membership email, and they can use the same membership email, password, same login to access all the products, right? They can access all the products in the member dashboard, and you can create a member dashboard using DApp's member dashboard builder right here. So that's what I do. I do not send welcome email from each one of the chained products, but you have that option here. Now, this is what I was talking about earlier. They get instant access to the chained product, or you can say, I want to drip it out. I don't want them to receive instant access. I want them to get access to this chained product after 7 days, after 14 days, whatever the case may be. So you can set that here if you select drip day, you can set this to whatever number, right? For example, 14. If you want to give them access after 14 days, they will not receive instant access. They will get access to it after 14 days. And in this case, you can send them welcome email, so they will know when you give them access to it, right? And this one, the welcome email will go out when they actually get access, which is after 14 days and not right away, right? And drip date is if you want to give them access to it on a specific date, right? So you can select here, for example, March 31st. So they will get access to it on this date. And again, you can send welcome email, but this email will get sent when they actually get access, which is on this date. So that's up to you how you set this up, right? So these are the 3 different options. Another benefit of using drip day or drip date is that, say that you have a membership, and when someone signs up for membership, you give them access to 5 different courses and 3 different trainings. You give them access to a whole bunch of things, then they sign up for membership. If you give them instant access, it will slow down the checkout process. If they're on your site trying to buy the membership, DApp will have to process all of these different chaining rules and give them access to all of these different products all at once. And so that's going to delay the processing. So the checkout process can take anywhere from, say, 15 seconds to 30 seconds, and it won't be a good user experience. So if you're giving them access to a whole bunch of products and you still want them to get almost instant access to it, you don't want to delay it, the best way to do it is to still select drip day, but set this to 1 day. What this means is they will not get instant access, so the purchase will go through quickly. But after the purchase is complete, you can send them a welcome email to let them know that they're soon going to receive access to the chained products. And when the cron job runs, which is an hourly job, and that's something you set up when you install DApp initially, it's going to automatically send them that email. It is going to do all the processing when the cron runs. So the cron will automatically give them access to the chained products. So it runs once every hour. So they purchase, for example, at 1:45 in the afternoon. By 2 o'clock, when the cron runs, they're going to get access because cron runs once every hour at the top of the hour, and it's going to automatically give them access to it. And you can send them the welcome email to let them know that they have now gotten access to that chain product, right? So there are so many benefits to it. So if you're giving them access to 1 or 2 products, you can just do instant as part of chaining. But if you're giving them access to multiple products and you feel like your whole checkout process, purchase process is getting slowed down and it's not a good user experience, use drip, but set this to 1 day. So they will still get access the same day, but at the top of the hour when the cron job runs, so it does not delay the purchase process. So say that you have set this to instant access. I'm going to click on create rule. You can see it says created product chaining rule successfully, and you can see the rule is right here. If someone gets access to the annual plan, which is my membership, they will get access to the 7-day newsletter challenge, and access start is instant access. It's set to 0, which means it's instant access, all right? And welcome email, no, they're not going to get welcome email from each one of the chained products. That's my setting. Now there are more things you can do with it. So here I have set up this one rule. When they get access to this membership, they get access to this one challenge. But I also want to give them access to other things. So I want to set up more rules for this product. So you can click on add a chaining rule and set up additional rules. For example, if user gets access to the annual plan, the same one, this time I'll give them access to a different product. And mark as paid, send welcome email or not, that's up to you. Say that I have set this to send welcome email because I'm not giving them instant access, I'm giving them delayed access. I'm still giving them access the same day, but at the top of the hour when the cron runs, so I'll set this to 1 so that it does not delay the purchase process. Create the rule. You can see it says created product chaining rule successfully. So now you can see there are 2 different rules and users are going to get access to this challenge instantly, and this one at the top of the hour when the cron runs, right? It's delayed access. So let me show you how this works. So let's say that you want to test this, right? You want to give someone access to the annual plan and you want to see if they receive access to these products automatically. Let me show you how you can test this. So you can go to the DApp members ad page. Here you can say, I want to select this product, right? This is a membership. If they get access to this product. So you can give user access to this membership manually through the dashboard, or you can make a real purchase of this and see what happens. All right. So when someone gets access to this, because the chaining rule has been set up, they should get access to 2 additional products, one of them instantly, the other one at the top of the hour. Let me show you what happens here. I'm going to say add member. All right, so this user should have gotten access to the instant one right away. So if I go to the members page, you can see here, this user has access to this annual plan, right? That's the one I gave access, but also automatically received access to the 7-day newsletter challenge through the chaining. This user has not yet received access to the other product. Let's build a membership site. That's because I'm giving delayed access. I have set the drip to 1 day, which means when the cron runs at the top of the hour, that's when they will receive access to it. So one more thing you can do is if you go to DApp System Job Queue, here under the chained product, at the top you can see there is chained product tab. You will see all the pending jobs, right? I gave user access to this product, to the chained product. So there is a job here sitting in the job queue waiting for the cron to run. And when the cron runs at the top of the hour, this user will automatically receive access to this product, all right? I'm going to run the cron manually just to test this, but you shouldn't be running the cron manually. You should wait for it to run automatically, but I'm going to just show you how this works, all right? All right, this is the top of the hour, and you can see the cron has run successfully, and this user, the same user, now has access to this product. They didn't receive instant access because of my setting, but they did receive access just within a few minutes when the cron ran at the top of the hour, they got access to it. That's all right? It's an amazing way to, not impact your purchase process so that when users are purchasing it, you don't want to delay it. You want it to complete quickly, right? For good user experience. And then when they complete the purchase through the welcome email, let them know they're going to receive access to all of these other products within a few minutes. And then send the welcome email from the chain product to let them know that they now have access to it. And you can delay access by 1 day, 2 days, 5 days. That's up to you, right? You can configure it in the product chaining page. All right, so this is how you can set up chaining rule. You can also set up rule to say when someone loses access, right? So here my rule is, and someone signs up for the annual plan, I want to give them access to these 2 products. I also want them to lose access to these products if they cancel. So you can set up a different chaining rule here and say, if a user is canceling, which is removed from the annual plan, right? If they are canceling their annual plan, I want them to lose access to the product they got because they had signed up for it, right? I want them to lose access, and I want them to lose access instantly, all right? So you can create the rule. All right, so you can see here, it says if a user gets access to the product, then add to these 2 products. If a user loses access to this, then remove from the newsletter challenge. And you can set up additional rules. You can also set up a rule to say remove their access to this product as well. That's up to you, right? You can set up different rules. One more thing you can do is say that you sell silver membership and gold membership. When someone upgrades to the gold membership, you want to cancel their silver membership, not just in DApp, but also in the payment processor. Now, as long as you're using our shopping cart plugin, which is Smart Pay Cart, and they have purchased the gold membership through Smart Pay Cart on your site, what you can also do is you can say if someone is purchasing, right? Say that this is your gold membership. If someone is purchasing gold membership, I want to remove their access to silver. Say that this is your silver membership. You can say silver. Let me see if I can find a gold membership. Yeah, I do have one. So let me just select the right product. So if someone is getting access to the gold, I want to remove their access to the silver membership, all right? And what I also want to do is I want to remove their access from the payment processor, right? I want to cancel it. I want to cancel their silver membership in Stripe or PayPal or Authorize.net. I can set that up here, right? I've set this to yes. Again, this will only work if you use Smart Pay Card. If they have purchased it using SPC, you can automate it so that when they upgrade to gold, SPC will automatically cancel their silver membership. This is another amazing feature we have as part of product chaining. So one more thing I want to talk to you about is say that you have an online course. And you want to sell it in 3 different ways. You want to sell it individually. You also want to make it part of your monthly membership and annual membership. So the way you should set that up is set up your online course as a one-time product, all right? Because you want to be able to sell it individually. So set it up as a one-time product, all right? Let me show you this. All right, so this is my online course. This is a course builder. I have set this up as a one-time product because I want to be able to sell it individually. What I also want to do is I want to make it part of the membership so that when someone signs up for the membership, they will get access to this course, right? And I want to make it part of monthly membership. I want to make it part of annual membership. So all you have to do is go to product chaining and set up your rules and say when someone signs up for the monthly or the annual membership, I want to give them automatic access to this course, right? So that's how you can sell your course in different ways. You can create monthly and annual membership products, and you can do that in DApp products memberships. So create your membership And when you're setting it up, you can set up your chaining rule as part of the setup, or you can go to DApp Products chaining page and set up your chaining rules just like I showed you. It's easier to do it here, or you can just go here when you're setting up your membership. So this is my membership, and under the Rules tab, here also you can set up your chaining rules, right? You can say when someone is signing up for this membership, I want to give them access to all of this. The only thing you cannot do here is delayed access. This will give them instant access. So if you have a simple rule, when someone signs up for this, you want to give them access to a whole bunch of products, you can do that easily as part of the product building process. When you're creating your membership, you can do that right here under chaining. But if you want to set up your rules where you want to delay the access and all that stuff, it's best to do it directly in the product chaining page because it's much easier to set up all the rules there. All right, so directly go to products chaining and set up all your chaining rules there. That's what I would recommend. As you can see, it's a really powerful feature. There's so many different things you can do with it. So if you want to give them access to multiple products as part of your launch offer, or you want to give them access to it as part of your membership offer, whatever the case may be, you can use the chaining to give them access to specific products, remove access to specific products, drip out access to different products so that they are not overwhelmed with a whole bunch of content coming their way, right? So there are so many different options. You can pick and choose which one you want to use using the chaining feature. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.